When did the music? Oh shit! Has music been playing the whole time?
I don't know.
And I just started the video just now.
Ah.
I think that's what happened.
Yeah, the music has been playing the whole time.
Yeah.
It's all good.
The video's been going for 15 seconds.
That's all right.
So how long have you been doing this?
Ah, this guy. Cameraman's fired.
Cameraman's fired.
About 3 weeks, man. To get to this point. I guess we've been forging for 2 nights.
2 nights.
A night and today. 2 nights. 2 days. Yes, sir. Learning how to shape steel on some damn railroad spikes.
It's 100 degrees outside.
Yeah, yeah, we are in South Central Texas in the middle of summer. San Antonio. Not a bad shape, huh?
Pretty. Yes, sir.
Kind of try to refine that tube a little bit.
If you've seen the previous video, you know why he's using channel locks. It's real hot right here in front of the forge.
Alright.
God.
Just gonna smooth it out a little bit. Get those hammer marks out of the side. Oh no! Hot steel on the floor. Hot steel on the floor again.